This is Coco. Coco is a little Yorkie mix. She's just a sweet little girl. She's about 8 years old. She obviously loves squeaky toys. Oh, her foster brothers and sisters are moving in for the toy. Coco, is that your toy? Is that your toy, Coco? Is that your toy, Coco? Coco! Hard to get her to look up when she's got a toy in her mouth. Coco! Oh, kill that toy.